biggest hip hop festival is in Thailand. Right now we are going to Rolling Loud Thailand. We got the Friday night event today. We got 3-day pass, but today's Friday night event. So we got Tyga, we got A$AP Rocky, we got Akon in the house. Oh, it's going down tonight. Stay tuned. Mr. Black Adventures coming up next. Give you a tour inside Rolling Loud in Thailand. So we are at Siam Legend, the entry point before we get into the event. If you haven't came here to check this out, it's actually a good place to check out if you're in Pattaya and you got some spare time when it's not a festival. So, entry is now. Well, if you come early, you get your wristband. You don't have to wait in this line because it don't make no sense to stand in line with all these people over here when you can just get it like the day before or something else. But yeah, that's the line if you don't get your wristband early. But since we do, we get to go walk right into security. Second year in a row, we're at Rolling Loud. I know it's loud. We'll see if the mic comes out. But Akon's about to come on in 30 minutes. Let's go inside. Once a year, we get to live like we're still in the States. They bring the festivals to Asia, hip hop festival at least, and it's pretty good. You know, we went last year. We had Cardi B, we had Chris Brown, we had, oh my God, Travis Scott. Yeah, it was going down last year. They did a good job. I thought it was clean. I liked it a lot. So we came back. Here goes my stalker. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of her tonight, but she's still there. I'm playing. Love you. But let's go see Akon. Thing about Thailand is it ain't packed like America. We got pretty good seats. They're gonna be right there, and I'm okay with it. So let's get on to the show. Okay, hey man, we out here. We got some Akon fans that look hella young. How old are you?
28.
28.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah, 28.
28. Akon's like, he's like before y'all's time.
I don't know.
Okay, why do you like Akon?
Why?
Why?
Akon, old rapper, legendary rapper.
Legend.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, Akon, I don't know if you subscribe to my channel, but
My parents showed.
really?
Yeah.
He said his parents said you will be at that concert today. That's crazy. Okay, cool. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.